How can I change a sentence from reported to direct speech? What is reported speech and what is direct speech? Let's take a look. Reported speech is someone telling you what someone has said. For example, the gentleman told me he would be eating dinner later than usual. It's written in the past tense. Told, would, which is the past of will. Direct speech. Direct speech are the actual words the person says. I will be eating dinner later than usual. The gentleman told me, for example, I'm eating dinner later than usual. Or we could say, I will be eating dinner later than usual, the gentleman told me. Look how in this sentence you have inverted commas or speech marks around the words the person actually said. A capital letter for the first word that is said inside the speech marks, I. Commas, for example, if you have the gentleman told me at the start, that's called the reporting clause. You must always follow it by a comma before you start the direct speech. And if you look at the difference between reported speech, you had the gentleman told me he would be eating dinner later than usual, but because the gentleman is now actually speaking himself, you have changed the word he to I. I am eating dinner later than usual. This is called the pronoun. So we have to look carefully at which pronoun to use as well. Finally, you may notice that the verb tense inside the inverted commas or speech is maybe in the present or the future tense. I am eating or I will be eating dinner later than usual. Right, let's have a go at putting some sentences into direct speech and changing them from reported speech. Pause the video and have a go yourself. Don't forget these things: inverted commas, capitals, commas, changing the pronoun. Check that the verb tense inside the direct speech is inside the speech marks or inverted commas. And ask yourself when you've had a go, do my sentences actually make sense? Are my spellings correct? Just one word of warning: if your spelling is not correct and everything else, punctuation, etc., is correct, you will not get the mark. You have to make sure that all of those things are right. And also, the other thing to say is that when you're writing in direct speech, there are many possibilities. As long as it's grammatically correct, the spellings are correct, and the punctuation is correct, you will get the mark. This applies to SATs as well as other kinds of tests. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, now you've had a go, let's have a look. So we've got reported speech. Her parents exclaimed that they were very proud of her. You could change this into direct speech as follows. We are so proud of you, her parents exclaimed. Or her parents exclaimed, comma, we are very proud of you. I try to stick as close as I can to the original text, very proud, but actually if I haven't used those exact words but still convey or show the same feeling, you should still get the mark. Number 2, he asked her why she was so famous. That's the reported speech. And in direct speech, we have, he asked her, why are you so famous? Or why is it that you are so famous? He questioned her. And finally, number 3, the scientist wanted her to visit them. In direct speech, you could write, the scientist said, we want you to visit us. Or, please visit us, the scientist asked. I hope you found this video useful. For more information about courses and other free videos and resources, plus one-to-one and group tuition, please visit brightprospectstutoring.com. Thank you for watching.